So in the past week, I've had two trucks that have come into our shop. One of them was a Dodge Ram. The guy hauls cars. He's an auto transporter. So I get a frantic call on a Monday saying, my truck has death wobble. Can you fix it? And I am a person that loves punishment. So I say, absolutely, I can fix that. Bring me your truck. So we do a small repair on it to get the death wobble to go away. But I told him there's other issues you have on this front end. I don't have time to deal with them today. And you need to get on the road. So you need to bring it back. That transaction completely went sideways, and there's more to it, but here's the issue I had. It's been to 3 different shops trying to fix it with a component at a time. You're never going to fix it with a component. We then had another customer come in on a Ford F-250 with the same concern, death wobble. You hit a bump at 65 miles an hour, the truck feels like it's going to shake apart. He's had it to an independent shop and the dealership in the last 12 months trying to fix it, and they've all replaced certain components but didn't take care of the system. So the system selling method is going to help you eliminate comebacks. And you just have to be in a good, strong mindset that you believe in it enough that you can transfer that belief to your customer, that they're willing to spend the thousands of dollars that it takes to get the system back into shape. So we're going to stop selling components. We're going to move into system selling, and then obviously take photos. Make sure you get the digital aspect of the sales transaction down to the customer so they can see what's going on.